this is Ragnhild@yarnhild.com. Today I'm going to show you how you can crochet this mosaic granny square. This looks a little difficult, but it's very simple, and I'm going to show you how to do it. This is made with some acrylic yarn, and but on this example I'm going to use this yarn. This is from Drops. It's called Saffron, and I'm using a size 3mm crochet hook, scissors, and a tapestry needle. I also have 3 different colors, so I'm going with green, pink, and purple. So let's get started. So you're starting off like a normal granny square. We can start with purple. So let me put purple yarn on there. This is a gift. I don't know where my mother-in-law bought it, but it's like handmade, so you can't get it on Amazon. But you have to make a slip knot, and then chain 4, and then join with a slip stitch and close it to make a ring. Now chain 3. This is a normal classical granny square, the first 2 rounds. Okay, and then you chain 2. The first 3 chains counts like 1 double crochet. Okay, chain 2 and then 3 double crochets. You can use any kind of yarn for this project. Chain 2. This is our first corner. Okay, chain 2 and then 3 more double crochets. Chain 2 and then the last set of double crochets. I'm not going to do the first 2 rounds super slow, because I'm assuming if you have done the if you want to do the mosaic granny square, you know how to do a normal granny square. So chain 2 and then make a slip stitch, and then we're going to continue with the same color, and I like to do a slip stitch until I get to the next corner. So that's 3 times, and then chain 3 and then 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 double crochets. Sorry, 3 double crochets. Chain 1 and then 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. Repeat this all the way around until you get to the end. So 1 chain in between, that is, and then do your corner. Chain 1 and then to the last corner. Chain 1 and then slip stitch on the top of the chain 3. Now cut the yarn and change color. Let's go with pink. And what I like to do is just to do a couple of slip stitches with the old color, and then I get it in the corner here, and then grab the new color and make a slip knot, and then attach the yarn. Chain 3, and then I like to put both of my ends here, so crochet around them or over them, and then do your corner, 2 double crochets, chain 2, and then 3 double crochets. Chain 1, and then this is where it gets interesting. Do a normal double crochet in the next space, and then yarn over twice, and then find on the first round the stitch in the middle and do a front post treble, and pull up a little yarn here, and then keep a little tension, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2, and then do another double crochet. We're going to repeat this here and there, and then the last stitch space. So chain 1, and then do your corner, chain 2, and then 3 double crochets, chain 1, and then do a double crochet and yarn over twice, and then find the stitch here and do your front post treble, pull up a loop, and then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. You don't want to have it too loose, the stitch, but not too tight either. So, chain 1, and then do your corner, same thing, 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. Chain 1, and then here again pull up a little bit, and then keep tension and yarn over and pull through 2 to 3 times, and then double crochet. So chain 1, do your corner, chain 2, and then 3 double crochets, chain 1, and then do the same thing in the last stitch, find the middle stitch here, and then pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and 1 double crochet, chain 1, and then do a slip stitch in the top of the chain 3. Now we're going to work with the same colors, with the same color for 2 rounds. So slip stitch your way until you get to the corner. So this is what we have now. We're going to repeat this, except now we're going to do this double crochet front post treble here and there. So do your corner, chain 2, oops, and 3 more double crochets, chain 1, and then here at the next space front post treble, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and a double, chain 1, and then repeat. See, it's not so difficult as it may look. You can make a nice baby blanket, or I'm making a mouse lovely with this pattern. You can check it out on my blog. So chain 1 and then do your corner. This chain 1 in between is important because this is where you are making the space gaps for the next round. Oops. Gonna do one more with you, and then I will meet you at the end, and we're gonna change colors. Chain 1 and then do your thing here, pull up, and then yarn over, pull through twice, 3 times. Repeat this all the way around until you get here, and then we're gonna change colors. So I will meet you back there. So now I am here at the end, chain 1 and then slip stitch, and then I can do another couple of slip stitches and then cut the yarn here. I already did that. And then change colors, or change color, and then join the new yarn, fasten the new yarn, and then chain 3, two double crochets, chain 2, and then 2 double crochets. 3 double crochets, I'm sorry. Okay, chain 1, and now we're going to repeat this here in the next space. Do your front post treble, and then double crochet in the same space, chain 1, and the only thing difference here is that you're gonna do the front post treble in the treble from 2 rows below. Yarn over twice and then pull up a loop like this, and double crochet, chain 1, and repeat in this corner. Now I want you to repeat this all the way around until you get to the end, and then you continue with the same color. You just do what I did. Oh, the stitches are a little too loose, so this is why I chose a 3mm, because I tend to crochet loosely. Chain 1 and then repeat here. As it grows, you can see the effect much better. Chain 1 and then here, double crochet, yarn over twice, and the front post treble. It's a little fun alternative to the normal normal double crochet. Let me show you what I'm doing to the ends, because I have like these strands now, and can just pull up and then cut the yarn, so you don't get so many loose ends to weave in at the end. So I will make a couple of rounds and then show you how it looks. And if you like this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and check out my blog for more free patterns and tutorial. I wish you a nice day. Goodbye.